Good morning. Welcome to DexFXMarkets.com. Today is Monday, the 13th of July, 2020. My name is Paul, and we're going to look at the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, and the last 30 days signal results. Moving swiftly on, okay, to our daily signal results. Let's have a look. Right, as you can see here, we have 4 signals that have yet to fire off in the last 24 hours. Otherwise, everything is looking superb. And for the week, everything is as it should be. I think the lowest statistic here is 81.1%. Can't really knock that. And the all-important month, the figures speak for themselves. Absolutely superb, as always. That's the dailies. Moving on to the 1 hour TNT. And for those of you that are new here, TNT stands for Trend, Negate, and Trade, which is just one of our many tools that we use. And coming down here, the last 24 hours, I can see 7 have yet to fire off. 3 that have around 100%, absolutely superb. And for the week, the last 7 days, figures are speaking for themselves, looking good. And the all-important month, absolutely smashing it. And again, so I like to point out to people that we don't just, when the signal doesn't fire off, we don't just throw in a random percentage in here to make it look good. And, wow, look at us, we're great. We believe in honesty and transparency. And if the signal doesn't reach its criteria, then of course we don't put it in. Okay, moving on to the 2 hour TNT. And again, that's Trend, Negate, and Trade. Only one that's fired off in the last 24 hours, but then again, it is early Monday morning, so I wouldn't be expecting any more than that. Okay, for the last 7 days, though, everything is looking absolutely wonderful. The lowest percentage here is 81.8. That's a Great British Pound USD. And of course, the all-important month. Again, everything is looking as it should. Ooh, apart from the AUD JPY, that's at 69.2%. So, a bit of a letdown for that one, but how-ho, hey-ho, they say. Let's move on to the 5 minutes. Now, the 5 minutes. Again, we've had 22 signals fire off in the last 24 hours. Looking good. And for the week, of course, looking good. I'd expect nothing less, actually, with the 5 minutes. And, of course, the average percentage for the month, that's the last 30 days, is around mid to high range, 90%. Right, moving back to the home page. If you stumbled across this video, we'd like it very much indeed if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also that way we can keep you up to date with everything that's happening at DexFXMarkets.com. And whilst you're at DexFXMarkets.com, if you pop over, find out a little bit more about us on the inside. You can see we have here all these various areas: Nadex training, Forex training center. You can contact us, you can have consults with us, and of course the results. And we have the videos. We have a whole whack of videos, so many training videos, and absolutely superb. We have the Dex News, and it'll keep you up to date again with what's happening there. And of course, if you click on little green buttons there, it'll take you directly over to our pricing page. And the pricing page, what do you get? Well, it gives you access to the Greenroom, for example, at $47 a month. Now, $47 a month, we give you, and literally give you, the Dex Atomic series. That's the 1 and 2 hour trade charts, consults, all training. We have a chat room help and access to all webinars. You cannot knock this. We actually gave this away for a few months for free, purely and simply because of the current climate happening. And we've had so much success with this. However, everything costs money and we have servers to run. And so we've decided to put a minimal amount of $47, and people are absolutely smashing it. Okay, if you're a little bit more adventurous and want to go for the $157 a month, this is our Greenroom deal. That's the Infinity. And for $157 a month, you'll get all our Nadex signals, the Xedan bot. If you haven't seen the Xedan bot, you are missing a treat. Okay, all the video series, that's everything. The full Dex Atomic, and again, that's what you have over here. The full Dex TNT, and a full Trading View Dex Atomic. And this is where we give you indicators to put onto Dex, to be put onto TradingView, because some people like to use the TradingView platform. So we give you the Dex Atomic that actually sits on there nicely. And again, this is something else that people are absolutely screaming about. Okay, we have personal consults, and step-by-step training. We have absolutely everything. And that's the Greenroom deal. That's $157 a month. If that's a bit strong, go for the plain $47 a month, and with our superb Dex Atomic series. Okay, well, this is Paul signing off for now. All you traders out there, trade well, trade safely, and more importantly, trade responsibly. Everybody else, stay safe, stay well, and we hope to see you on the inside. Have a fantastic Monday and a great week. Bye for now.